Jamaica's political renaissance, a beacon of hope and progress. Hey everyone, it's SkyWalker. Today I come to open your eyes to something that most Jamaicans at home and abroad are not even aware of. And it's something very special which should make us proud. I feel like I would take a deep dive into it today. In recent years, Jamaica has been undergoing a remarkable transformation that is capturing the attention of the world. This political renaissance is not just about governance, it's about a renewed sense of hope, progress, and unity among Jamaicans. Let's dive into the incredible journey of Jamaica's political landscape and how it is setting new trends and inspiring nations globally. It has certainly inspired me. Why else would I be here all day trying to remind my beloved Jamaicans to put all hands on deck, forget about the partisan politics at this time, and help to push forward to meet the goals and dreams of our successful, or at least our succeeding government for Jamaica, because we are succeeding and we cannot squander the blessing. I want to feel what it feels like at the top of the mountain, and so I am applying myself to do my part. Join me and the rest of Jamaica. We are a powerful people, and all together, nothing or no one will stop us. Let us work with those who are winning, and let's all win together. One of the most exciting trends in Jamaica politics is the surge in youth engagement. Young Jamaicans are no longer passive observers. They are active participants in shaping the future of their country. From grassroots movements to social media campaigns, the youth are using their voices to demand transparency, accountability, and progressive policies. This wave of youth activism is driving positive change and ensuring that the next generation is well represented in the political arena. Jamaica is leveraging technology to enhance governance and public services. The implementation of e governance platforms has made it easier for citizens to access government services, pay taxes, and participate in decision making processes. This digital transformation is not only improving efficiency but also fostering a culture of transparency and accountability. Jamaica's embrace of technology is setting a precedent for other nations to follow. Jamaica is leading the way in sustainable development initiatives. The government has launched several programs aimed at promoting renewable energy, protecting natural resources, and addressing climate change. These efforts are not only preserving Jamaica's natural beauty, but also creating green jobs and boosting the economy. Jamaica's commitment or to sustainability is a shining example of how nations can balance economic growth with environmental stewardship. I bet most of you didn't know that we were going so hard out there. Did you? We look about with Talawa. Under this government, we are going on with ourselves. Isn't it? We are an impressive little nation on the verge of breaking through that glass ceiling. And we can, if we just support the winner and never change a winning formula. Under the leadership of Prime Minister Andrew Holness, Jamaica has made significant strides in strengthening democratic institutions. The establishment of the Integrity Commission and the Major Organized Crime and Anti-Corruption Agency MOCA are key milestones in the fight against corruption. These institutions were created to ensure that public officials are held accountable and that the rule of law is upheld. We have problems because of how we allowed political activists to infiltrate and corrupt certain public bodies so far. The IC is one of them, or is the biggest example at the moment. But at some point, we will get it right. Sometimes it takes a bit of trial and error to get it right. Jamaica's dedication to good governance is earning international recognition and respect. It is. Jamaica's rich culture, Jamaica's rich cultural heritage continues to be a source of pride and inspiration. The global influence of reggae music, the vibrancy of Jamaican art, and the resilience of its people are celebrated worldwide. By promoting and preserving its cultural identity, Jamaica is not only enriching its own society but also sharing its unique legacy with the world. Jamaica's political renaissance is a testament to the power of hope, progress, and unity. The nation's commitment to youth engagement, technological innovation, sustainable development, and good governance is setting new trends and inspiring others. As Jamaica continues to rise, it serves as a beacon of hope and a model for nations striving for positive change. Let us celebrate Jamaica's journey and look forward to a future filled with promise and potential. And your wholeness has played a significant role in Jamaica's political renaissance. As Prime Minister, he has been a driving force behind many of the initiatives and the reforms that are contributing to this transformation. A Prime Minister who literally puts a renaissance energy is uncommon and special. This is the kind of metal that mold into our heroes. Wholeness vision for a new political culture which emphasizes inclusivity, transparency, and broad-based participation has been a key factor in fostering positive change. Wholeness has been instrumental in promoting youth engagement, technological innovation, and sustainable development. His leadership in establishing institutions like the Integrity Commission and the Major Organized Crime and Anti-Corruption Agency MOCA has helped to strengthen democratic governance and combat corruption. So, while there are many individuals and collective efforts contributing to Jamaica's political renaissance, Andrew Holness' leadership and initiatives have been central to this progress. And because nothing can draw this success energy, we need to move forward more than a renaissance because we want the prosperity that is now so near, which used to seem so far, because we see all these glorious possibilities come to life before our eyes, and now we cannot let them go before they are realized. Think on these things, my people. Peace out.